Wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and here I'm on location today at a real life job where my team is actually working on the restoration of this job. The reason I doing this video today is to talk about products called like DeckOver, Deck Helmet, DeckCorrect, those type of products that were more meant for concrete. They're very solid. They're the bane of most contractors' existence that do this type of work. What happens is it's almost gives it like a composite feel, but it was always meant not to, it was meant to be a coating, but it was not meant to put in wood with 1/4-inch cracks or more and so forth. But most people felt that they would take an old deck and they would put this on there, would fill the cracks, and it would make it like a new deck again or extend the life of it. And it was kind of sold that way. Truth of the matter is, like if anybody's seen my videos before, we put a solid in, or solid on wood that's expanding and contracting and moving. It's going to pop those solid products, and it would do that with the DeckOver products. So what we have here is DeckOver, and it's kind of rough. If you come over, look a little closer. Some of it's, we had to replace the wood and so forth. We're starting to get some issues where it's bubbling already, and we're going to fix that. You are currently watching a Wizard of Wood approved video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching our videos. So what we're going to do here is try to do as much restoration as we can. We give a choice, either replace the decking. In a lot of cases, it's usually just the floor and you keep the railings. This deck happens to be a little older and it needs a lot of work, but they're not ready to get rid of it yet. So we gave them the option, sanding what we could, getting off everything we could, stripping off what we could, did a lot of work, a lot of prep work, so that when we put down a new coat, that it's going to have some kind of hope that it's going to last a little bit and get them 2 or 3 years down the line to where they can kind of budget and plan better for how to do the deck. In the meantime, we took the old lattice off and everything that was here. We put up some decking planks all the way around. We'll come around here and see where the guys are working. And we've framed and we're staining, and we're also staining the new planks that are getting put up. And this is kind of what we do at Deck Restoration Plus and DRP Enterprises, my company. But the reason I wanted to go over this with you is because these DeckOver products, while they are the bane of most people's existence, people don't realize that when they put it down. They have buyer's remorse. You can check the lawsuits or check anything you want online, Google it, whatever you want to do. And you'll see some of the issues with these products. So what do you do for the customer? They have two choices. Replace the deck. When it gets to replacement, what are you going to do? Are you going to replace it with wood, or are you just going to do the floor, leave the railings? Are you going to scrap and just say, you know what, it's spent, let me put down one of the composite type of products, maybe a new railing and so forth, and just refurbish the deck or redeck it or rebuild it, maybe possibly build a new one. And that's your one choice. Or help somebody out, give them some kind of a budget, an idea what it's going to cost, and try to work with them like we are here, just to get them down a few more years. You know, they have a very nice, if you pan around, you'll see a very nice backyard with a pool and everything. And what we want to do is just make it look as nice as we can for the next few years for them, and they understand that. So we're adding the skirting around the bottom, and then we'll see what happens in a few years. If we do a good job, hopefully we're building a new deck here in a few years. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, talking about the DeckOver products and some of the options you have, you know, moving forward. Restoration, it is what it is. Redeck the floor, rebuild the deck. Kind of where you're at with it. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. If you liked this video or any of the other videos, make sure you check them all out and subscribe to the channel. Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. I got the Wizard of Wood from my peers in the industry, and being the Wizard of Wood, I provide education and have been for well over 20 years and over 10,000 contractors across the nation. So thank you for watching the video. I'm glad you are. But if you want more information and you want to become like the Wizard and have the knowledge that the Wizard has had and that teaches in classes, please visit www.wizardofwood.net. You will get our manual, we get our online classes and everything to help you take your career to another level. Thank you for watching the video.